how you can use two WhatsApp accounts in your single iPhone. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So initially you will have your WhatsApp where you are logged in into one account, and what you'll need to use for the other account is WhatsApp Business. So you have already seen the app right besides my WhatsApp. So just go to your app store and search for WhatsApp Business. So download this app right here, and after you download it, you can log into it using your other account. Now you can log into your other account in WhatsApp Business, but your account will also get changed into a business account. So yeah, using this method you will be able to use two accounts on a single device. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.